Do you have a large-scale seed plant that needs designed or built? Not sure of the best layout to maximize efficiency? Does the idea of sourcing multiple firms to design, manufacture, and construct your next plant build sound daunting? Omara Ag is more than just an industry-leading equipment manufacturer. We have the best team in the industry and the years of experience to turn your needs into a reality. At Omara, we design and build everything in-house, including our world-class production and research dryers. Our production dryers feature our proprietary single-point reversing air door system that can be fully automated to ensure consistent drying. Our bins are constructed in a modular fashion that allow for easy installation. Numerous bin sizes ensure we can customize a dryer to suit your harvest needs. By pre-building as much as possible in-house, along with our modular panel systems, installation costs are dramatically reduced. Our burner blowers are shipped assembled and ready for hookup to gas and electric. We also manufacture a complete line of conveyance and seed handling products to complement your facility. Our research dryers boast a small footprint, multiple drying options, and compatibility with a wide range of products. Our drying boxes are stackable, standalone, and weather-tight to ensure your product stays intact. With multiple burner sizes and options, along with extremely precise temperature control, our dryers will simply outperform. At Omara Ag, we are built for seed.